Hey, I'm Tanya Weeders, ECMG Creative. Hope all is well. And today I want to introduce you to our product that we're promoting called 3 Days to 10K Strategies. It's a limited time offer, but you are not going to be paying thousands of dollars for it for today, but the value is still there. So we want to let you know there's only three things that you really need in order to get this done. You don't have to hire an agency, graphic designers, videographers, none of that stuff. All you need to do is have three major things. That's a personality, that's a product that everybody is pressed for, and you want to have a payment link. You don't have to hire a whole team. All you need to do is master the art of packaging, promoting, and pre-selling. And you are off to the races. So let's go to our next screen where I want to show you something so invaluable. So this is our sales page, and what's going to happen, full transparency, is if you want to take advantage of this offer, when you click the link, you're going to be brought to this page. Why? Because I want you to be 100% sure about what you're getting on the other side. Now, remember that personality I told you about? My personality brought you here. My personality brought you and is keeping you in the loop so that you can see what I have to offer. And if it's something that floats your boat, that is your thing, then you'll click the link and you'll find this. And so I say that because one of the most important things that we overlook, whether it's as an entrepreneur or as individuals individually, right, that want to sell something, move something, introduce something, promote something, is we are the lead. We are the lead ourselves, and we have to be 100% confident in what we're offering. And so, what we're offering to you is how to create multi-thousand dollar days in your business for your brand, your projects, your offers, whatever you're working on. Because whether you're a seasoned pro, a startup, or anywhere in between, the bottom line is the bottom line. And if you're not profit producing or doing what you need to do in order to bring in more profits to your business, guess what? You can be replaced. Right? So you want to be equipped with this kind of skill, not just for your business, but for you as an individual if you ever need to get in a place where you have to generate revenue quick, fast, in a hurry. So if you're on a project where it takes, knowing how to fundraise, this is perfect for you. And a lot of fundraisers are going on right now. So hopefully this will be something that you're interested in. So what we talk about here is how to generate hyper targeted, highly motivated leads quickly and ethically from resources that you probably already have. If you've worked with me before or know anything about me, it should be that I thrive in creating premium packages for our clients and our customers. That's what we do. I show you whether you're a service based business or not. I show you how to take what you do best and put it into packages that people clamor for, that businesses absolutely need, and I show you how to create prompts and copy that folks will absolutely listen to, and they'll buy into, and they'll buy into you as well. So I've got your attention by telling you you can easily make $10,000 in 3 days, 72 hours, depending on your strategy. And we're going to give you the strategy to do that. Actually, they're three in one, where we introduce upsells, cross sells, down sells, right? And you don't even need to have a downsell if you price your items, your offers properly, right? So what we tell the good folks is when they get to this page, we make it short and sweet, that what we're going to offer them is what they'll need, and their end result is what they see in the image that's right in front of them. Women, or if you're a male, you'll see your woman or the women in your family who are shopping. They're happy, they don't have a care in the world, and that's the end result. So as a result of taking advantage of this training, you're going to get super simple strategies that create thousands of dollars. And this is $1,000 value. It absolutely is. You're also going to learn how to identify and engage your ideal audience. Now, at the bottom line of this is if you don't know who your audience is, if you don't know how to engage them and they work together, you're not going to have a go of it when it comes to this. Okay. And that's what we teach you on the other side of this. We teach you how to identify them, how to speak with them, and figure it out if you don't know how. Okay. And then we're going to offer you bonus content. Full disclosure, we just put that joint up today because we wanted to give you more of how we do, or how we did what we did, and how we replicate this over and over in our business month after month so that we can charge more. We're going to show you how to add value and then how to swap out your offers to different things or different services that you have in your business so that what you can charge more. I'm even telling you how to charge more than what I'm charging you to get in. So you need to get in right now because by the time you see this again, it'll be a different price and I promise you it won't be lower. What you're also going to get on the other side of this is the opportunity to work with us so that you can scale your business even bigger. I want to help you identify the multiple or several different images or offers that you have in your business, services that you offer in your business, turn them into products that sell round the clock so you don't have to worry about getting funded by a bank or getting accepted for loans. No, create the world that you want to see. And that's what we absolutely service our clients and our customers with. And you can be one of them. Now, next, what we do is we give them our statement. We're giving you this information for pennies on the dollar. And this is a $4,000 process. It's a $4,000 project. It's a $4,000 training that's going to teach you how to make tens of thousands of dollars in days. Do you understand? So we deliberately have uncomplicated this process and we're using the old fashioned way. We're going to show you how to talk to people who or what people you need to speak to, you need to talk to so that you can start getting your project off the ground. You can partner with them as well. And there's so many different ways that you can benefit from what we're teaching you today. Right? So we want you, the reason why we uncomplicate this is because we want you to not only to start, but we want you to be finishers and we want you to start breaking your own records so that you can go in, you can finish, start, finish, and work on projects that need your attention. All too often we're trying to sell so much that we neglect all of the things that we really went into the business for. Right? So, this is the way you automate your process. This is the way that you come in and you start making passive income. But here's the secret: passive income has to be active income first. And this is where you put in all your action. This is where you put in all the labor so that when you set this up, you'll never have to worry about wanting to introduce another product again. As a matter of fact, it'll help you launch your process and your projects faster because you don't have to go through the process of building a funnel like we have here. Right? The reason why we did this is because we want to automate this bad boy sooner rather than later, but we also want to know about split testing. We want to see the results in that. And then we want to service the people that will need it most. Finally, what you want to add is what your goal is. Our goal overall, when it comes to anything that we're putting out or the way that we're presenting, it's very simple to make a massive impact in the least amount of time for as many as possible. And we want you to join with us because it works. It works because we work it and we want to show you how to do it without wasting thousands of dollars on webinars that don't work, and we want to be there with you as well, helping you scale when it's time for you to do that. We don't want you to spend thousands of dollars on ads that are more expensive today than they were last year or even last month because these people who have deeper pockets are driving the prices up, not knowing what they're doing as well. Okay, so you're not going to go. This is not about ads. This is not about, partnering with getting sponsorships and waiting months and months. This is not that. This is how to hit the ground running and to start bringing revenue into your business now, not today, but now. So you also want to top this off with some testimonials and reviews. You don't have to go off the rails with this. One or two will be fine, and let it be defined by the results that you've given, because people are often swayed by positive reviews. Okay. And so we also tell what's also on the other side of this, the additional discounts that are available after you go in, and so much more. So, this really is what we wanted to talk to you about. And all of this you can do exactly as I'm doing it right now. All you have to do is get in front of a camera, point it, click live, and go live and talk about your product, your service, your offer. Those are the three things that you need: your personality, a product that people clamor for, that they are pressed for, and also you need that payment link. And right here is our payment link, because we want your information and we want to be able to stay in contact with you as well. Once this is done, it's one and done. And as I always tell you before, if you do not have digital products, I don't know what you're doing with your life, because when you're working with digital products and you actually have everything uploaded and ready to go, that's the simplest way to automate. It's the simplest way to promote. And guess what? These are non-refundable, because you're over delivering. And that's how we show you on the other side of this pay gate. We show you how to stack so much that when people get to the other side, they're like, what are you talking about? I only paid $300 for this? Not even? What? And I feel like I wasted my money doing all of this other stuff. That's the way you want to practice. You want to promote and package your offers so that people purchase from you. Now, I can very well take this whole lesson and guess what? Turn it into an ad. But I'm not doing that right now, because I want to give you time to go in and give as many people the opportunity to take advantage of this price. Because next week, when we get here, I will be looking at everyone who comes into my DMs, PMs, Messenger, and the like, saying, like the great fat Joeth, yesterday's price is not today's price. So I hope you have enjoyed this. I want you to take this information, use as much of it as you can, and start making profits in your business. Start generating profits. If you learn how to generate profits for anyone, you will always have a leg up on any offer or any other candidate that comes down the peak. You'll always have the upper hand, because if you can teach your business, your team, your squad, your people how to make money in their business and on autopilot, you are genuine, you're priceless, and you're not indisposable, right? So I want you to go be great. That's what you are. That's what you were created to be. You need to get on purpose, and you need to start doing that right now. Have a great one. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you on the other side. Wait a minute. Let me give you a sneak peek of what you get. So, when you get in on that pay gate, you're going to receive this PDF. We want you to download this as soon as you get over there. And when you download it, it's your own way, your own workbook and task list of how to get the best out of the software, to get the best out of the presentation, the webinar, so that you can start working on this and you can be on the jump with this in hours. I'm not playing games with you. You can do this in hours, not days, not months, certainly not weeks. Okay. So I'll see you on the other side. And for good, I'm really leaving this stop. I'll talk to you later on. Have a fantastic way.